In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable check for Apple Pay in Safari on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you visit a website on Safari browser and you want to check whether this site supports Apple Pay, when you have Apple Pay added to your iPhone, you can easily check without checking through the entire website itself. So your Safari can easily tell you that this website supports Apple Pay or not. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All you need to do to enable or disable check for Apple Pay in Safari on iPhone on iOS 18 is click on the settings app. Then one of the settings page, just scroll down until you get to apps and then click on it. Then scroll down to Safari. While on the applications page, just scroll down until you get to Safari. Click on that. Now once you selected that, you'll be taken to the Safari app settings. Now scroll down to the bottom and click on Advanced. Then under Advanced, locate check for Apple Pay. If it is enabled, go ahead and disable it. So with this, your iPhone will allow the Safari browser to check if Apple Pay is enabled and if you have an Apple Card account. So this is how you can easily allow or enable check for Apple Pay on iPhone on iOS 18. So to disable this as well, all you just need to do is make sure this is toggled off, and there you go. So this is going to disable check for Apple Pay on your device. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.